Okay, so I'm taking the shade Universal on a MAC 224 brush, and I'm lightly going to sweep that across my lid as a transition shade. Next, I'm taking the shade Tan on the same brush, and I'm lightly going to pack that on my lid as well. Next is the shade Spice, which is a deep peachy brown. I'm just going to put that closer to my lash line. Next, I'm taking Fawn, which is a deep taupey brown. I'm going to put that a little bit more closer to my lash line. Get a look, some dimension. Next, I'm taking the shade Bronzy, which is a rustic bronze foil shadow, and I'm taking the Evian facial spray with a shader brush. I'm gonna put that on the center of my eyelid. Next, I'm taking Pure, which is a golden cream chrome, and I'm putting that on the first third and my tear ducts. It's a nice champagne color. Next, I'm taking my NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and I'm just gonna apply that on my lash line. Next, I'm taking Big Shot mascara, collaboration with Shayla, Makeup by Shayla. And I'm just gonna coat my lashes and then put on my lashes. They're 34s and Ardell Wispies. Next, I'm taking Universal and Pure on a fluffy brush and putting it on my brow bone. And that is the look.